Armenian Pizza Lahmajun recipes. Ingredients: 1 pound lean ground sheep, half glasses finely hacked onion, half glass hacked green chili pepper, 1 teaspoon minced garlic, 14.5 ounces canned peeled and diced tomatoes, 6 ounces would tomato be able to glue, half container slashed crisp Italian parsley, 1 teaspoon cleaved crisp basil, 1 tablespoon cleaved crisp mint clears out, half teaspoon ground cumin, 1 squeeze cayenne pepper discretionary, 4 pita bread or soft tortillas. Bearings: place ground sheep in a vast skillet over medium-high warmth. Cook and break into little pieces until for the most part caramelized. To deplete any abundant soil, include the onion, green pepper, and garlic. Cook until the point when the onion is translucent. Mix in diced tomatoes and tomato glue. At that point season with parsley, basil, mint, cumin, and if utilizing, cayenne. Stew for around 5 minutes. Expel from warmth, cover, and refrigerate overnight to mix the flavors. Preheat the stove to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 230 degrees Celsius. Disperse the sheep blend equitably. Finish the tortillas and spread out to the edges. Place the tortillas onto a preparing sheet. Heat for around 20 minutes in the preheated stove. Expel from the stove and place the lahmajuns onto a vast bit of aluminum thwart with the goal that 2 of them are meat side to meat side. At that point stack the sets together, and bring the thwart up finished, the best to keep warm. These can be served hot or chilly. Cut into little wedges.